of the full size, that lovely aircraft called John flying over there, the yellow aircraft. Look at it, beautiful. Perhaps he can do a run down the flight line for us when he's finished doing his flat 8. Is that John Townsend? Going to do a nice slow run down for our cameraman down on the right hand side. There he's lining up. Remember, this aircraft is 1/2 the size of the full size. Beautiful. Oh dear, oh dear, look at that. Magic. Part of it, the engine tests are happening this week. First flight will be before the end of the month, and the full-size Vulcan will not be at the Elvington show, but they hope to be at one other show, which we don't know at the moment. Don't forget, if you're going to attend the quiz night tonight, the LMA have been out and bought a load of prizes. Variation of one of his plans actually flying. 438s of Johnson. The American answer to the Lancaster bomber, although it held a much less load than the Lancaster. Daylight bombing rate by the B-17 and the Lancaster bombed by night, hence the black underside of the Avro Lancaster. Andy Johnson and Dave Johnson, two brothers. Oh dear. Hold on, I'll take it there. Virtually the same scale, these two aircraft. You can see flying, I think about one scale apart. So the B-17 on the left hand side, bomb doors open in the colours of Virgin's Delight. Fantastic ball, full size. And the one and only Lancaster bomber. Only two flying anywhere in the world. Our own British version and the Canadian version, which I'm modelling my Avro Lancaster on, as Dave pitched mine. No, they do, they fly absolutely superb. Look at this. The Large Model Association and very, very, very. Come on,